In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 11, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and click on fingerprint unlock. And at first you need to provide some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or password. Let me choose pattern. You just need to remember that you cannot forget your lock screen password, because otherwise you will have to perform a hard reset of your phone. So then just click on got it to confirm and provide your backup pattern, then re-enter it just to confirm. And now you can smoothly add your fingerprint. So the sensor is at the side cover of your device. It's the power button. So just tap here to add your fingerprint. And that's it. You can also rename your fingerprint if you want to. So just mark here in the name area, remove the current one, and provide your own if you want to. Tap on confirmation mark and click on done to finish the whole operation. And from now on you can smoothly unlock your phone either with your fingerprint or with this backup pattern. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.